Hines Corporation owns multiple manufacturing companies. These manufacturing companies have a vast array of products. These include gas pumps to floor cleaners to pavement repair. And they have integrated together with the centralized IT and the technical burden on our small IT team. We have 7 members, and trying to keep up with the latest technology makes it hard for a small team to always meet the cutting edge. So in 2023, Hines made the decision to migrate to CSI, CloudSuite Industrial. As part of our migration, we reviewed all of our customizations. We were able to eliminate 35% of our customizations and return to standard functionality. The elimination of these customizations saved us time and money throughout the entire migration effort. Our IT team did not have to work on moving to the cloud, and we are also able to get users more experienced in how to use Sightline better. As part of our migration to the cloud, we were taking our on-premise by design configurator and migrating it into CPQ. This configurator is currently used by Bennett Pump, who manufactures gas meters. Having the configurator saves us hours of order entry and engineering time because these meters are so customizable, and we are able to eliminate all that manual bill of material work from an engineer by having the CPQ solution. One of the end goals with moving the configurator to the cloud is to utilize enterprise quoting, which would expose our configurable products to our dealer network and allow them to basically build their quotes for their customers using our configurator and give them accurate sales data, which can then be imported into our CloudSuite Industrial. IDM is the big game changer for us. This allows us to store our documents in the cloud, and when entering an order, customer service team can see related documentation for that customer. We are looking at many different areas of the business where we can streamline their documentation efforts to get rid of the filing cabinets that they currently have sitting on a wall. As we near the end of our migration to the cloud, we're really looking forward to the new opportunities of the additional Infor products that are available with ease of integration in the cloud. This includes burst reporting, generative AI. These are tools that we currently could not utilize on an on-premise environment that we hope to take full advantage of in the cloud.